In the heart of a dense, ancient forest, a serpent of unparalleled beauty and lethality, known as the viper, resided. The viper was feared by all creatures, for its venom was said to be the most potent in the realm. One day, a young deer ventured into the forest, unaware of the danger lurking nearby. The deer, with wide, curious eyes, frolicked and played, oblivious to the ominous presence of the viper. The viper, seeing the deer, felt a strange stirring within. It had never felt such curiosity towards its prey before. Instead of striking, it chose to approach the deer, wrapping itself around the innocent creature. The deer, initially terrified, soon felt a strange warmth enveloping it. The viper, instead of delivering its deadly venom, began to share its wisdom. It spoke of the forest, of the river, and of the cycle of life and death. The deer, listening intently, felt a profound connection with the viper. It realized that the viper was not its enemy, but a part of the natural order. The viper, in turn, felt a sense of fulfillment it had never known before. From that day forward, the viper and the deer became unlikely allies. The viper continued to share its wisdom, and the deer continued to listen. The forest flourished under their symbiotic relationship, a testament to the power of understanding and compassion. The story of the viper and the deer serves as a reminder to us all that even the most feared and reviled can teach us valuable lessons, and that understanding can bridge the greatest of divides. May we all learn to see beyond our fears, and find wisdom where we least expect it. For the viper, in its own way, was a teacher, and the deer, in its own way, was a student. And together, they found harmony in the heart of the forest.